Good morning, traders. Today is December the 28th. It's 9:15 a.m. I'm doing this update before the market opens. I just want to show you a couple positions real quick so you guys will have something to look forward to in this trading session. NYX looking like it's going to break out. Also, if you look at AMTD, looking quite bullish. Also Schwab also looking bullish. So watch all these investment banks. Even throw Morgan Stanley out there, which is looking very bullish. And if we hold over this previous high back here from November the 5th, and that high was around 27.36, so we need to hold 27.36 for a higher move in Morgan Stanley. OI, another bullish chart. This one's really beautiful, and a buddy of mine's been long ever since 27.50. But right now he's still holding his position strong. You see there's some supply around this 30.70 level, but it looks like we got to close past it yesterday. So if we could hold over that, I think there's a good chance we could see 31.20 today. Next we're looking at PCL, and we go ahead and draw a downtrend, and that looks like we're gunning towards that. And then we have a short-term downtrend that we broke out of yesterday. So as of right now, this trend is bullish, and you see we got above the 50 and the 20. Now if the 20 crosses above the 50 today, that will confirm a moving average bullish breakout divergence. So keep your eye on that. Now we're looking at Pulte Homes, and Pulte Homes is looking pretty good as well. And this thing is sold off, but not just Pulte, a couple of the builders are actually looking decent. I'll show you. But we broke out of the downtrend, and then they rallied it all the way above this 50. I wouldn't buy it right here, but I want to see us hold the 725 level, which is right around where the 50 is. Worst case scenario, we need to hold 7. 7's like a main level for this. If we could consolidate in here and get some more buyers, I think that we have potential to approach 850 fairly quick. And it looks like their buy and Bs are up, so the small cap stocks are starting to move up lately. Whenever they ran all the big boys up, they start looking to run up the small caps. Alright, Zion. This thing is by far my most favorite bank, regional bank. And it just stays strong. Whenever they sell it off, it always gets bought aggressively. Even when you see it making lower lows, look, they just snap it right back up. And look at these moves that they put in. Anyways, we're looking at this downtrend breakout, and it's looking pretty bullish here. So set your alert over yesterday's high and look to get long. Keep your stops tight though. WHR Whirlpool. Now this thing really sold off sharply, and I saw people shorting it right when we made this move in here around 87.5. And then they came down, they consolidated it. The 74 level seemed to be pretty significant demand, and they bought it up, so they got it over the 200. That's where we're at now. I'd set an alert. I'll tell you the exact number. Set an alert at 91.03. If we could get past that, and then we need to hold 91, I think we could get a higher move. I'm looking at JBL because I've had a couple people ask me about this. This thing's had a crazy move from 14 to 20 in 1 month. That's big for a stock like this. My personal opinion, it's getting a little tired out. If you are one of them types of people who like to call a top, I think that your risk would be okay here. If you took a short, as long as it gets a little weaker and puts in a lower high, I think that you might have a decent risk reward for a move maybe back down to 19.20 or something. And the last one I'll throw out there is the CFN. And if CFN could get over this 25.35 level and hold, which we got to close above yesterday, I think we could get moved back up to 26. Alright traders, good luck.